everyone. Welcome to Arkansas PBS Rise and Shine. I am your chef, La Profe Molina, and I am feeling a little hungry today. I think it is time to make some arepas. Again, arepas. But first, what is an arepa? An arepa is a traditional typical food from Colombia and Venezuela. It is eaten also in Ecuador and Panama. Arepa is known in Honduras as pupusa, and in Mexico it is known as gordita. Arepa came from the northern region of South America in pre-Columbian times. It is eaten daily in those countries, and it can be served with toppings such as cheese, meat, chicken, avocado, and why not, peanut butter and jelly. Today we are preparing an arepa con queso from Colombia. You're gonna need the following ingredients: 1 cup of arepa flour, 1 cup of warm water, a teaspoon of salt or a dash of salt, a half cup of sugar, 2 ounces of melted butter, a stick of butter or non-stick spray, 1 cup of cheese. I personally prefer mozzarella cheese because it stretches very well, but you can choose whatever you prefer. Let's make the arepas with some magic. When I say 3, you will see the arepa dough here. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here is your arepa dough ready for you to play with. Guys, this is so much fun. You're gonna mix together your arepa flour, the warm water, salt, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Also, you're gonna add the cheese. You're gonna mix all the ingredients together until the mixture has a soft consistency and your hands are very clean, like my hands. You're gonna take a piece of the dough, and then you're going to start playing with your arepa. Once the dough is ready, you're going to make a ball. With your thumbs, you're going to press the middle of that bowl, and you're going to make a gentle hole. Again, if your masa is too dry, you're going to make it a little wet with some water. And once you have the hole in the center, you can add some cheese. Yum, smells so good, guys. You're gonna start closing the edges of your arepa and all the gaps of your arepa. You're gonna bring your bowl back. And in Colombia, while we start flattening our masa, our dough, we sing a song that it goes, arepitas de maíz tostado. You're gonna close your gaps, and using the palm of your hand, you're gonna measure the size of your arepa. And voila, here is your arepa. Your arepa is ready to go into the pan. Now, for the next step, you're gonna get an adult to spray a non-stick pan and turn into a medium heat. When you start making the sound, you're gonna place your arepa on the heat. Cook the arepas for both sides until they are golden and crispy. Flip each side after 5 minutes. And you will see how your arepa start looking very crispy and golden. Smells so good. In Colombia, you have them with more cheese and butter for breakfast. Did you like the arepa? What is your favorite arepa topping? I personally like mine with lots of butter and salt. And you, did you like today's lesson? See, it was lots of fun. I hope you all can enjoy your arepas at your casita with your familia. Adios, and see you next time.